choices. Select your characters. Storm. Magneto. Wolverine. Iron Man. Get ready. Ghost Rider. Black Panther. Danger. Eddie Parker. Get ready. We've got a high-profile match coming up. In the orange corner, with Storm. At the lead, Monsoon Flyers. In the blue corner, with Ghost Rider. Here are Vengeful Shapeshifters! Let's see who's got Lady Luck on their side. The heat's rising and sparks are about to fly.
The air trembles. Mother Earth herself senses the coming battle.
Okay, I'll fight you, but if you end up dead, it's your own damn fault.
Brace yourself. Round one. Fight!
I'm fine. Lightning!
Roll! Barely felt that.
A wise decision.
Lightning! Now, lightning!
KO!
Good start. Let's keep this up.
Back up on standby.
Round two. Fight!
All right! Not yet. Crispy!
No.
Turn it up!
Go, Tony! By the goddess!
Crispy! Wasted time.
Now, go, Tony! Cower before the storm! Let's keep our guard up.
Assemble!
I'm ready.
Round three. Fight!
There! Not yet.
Oh, nice! Barely felt.
Here's my aim. Ineffective.
Get ready! Heat!
KO!
Do it.
I regret we came to blows. I cannot regret the result.
Winner! Player one! Select your characters. Magneto. Blade. Black Panther. Magic. Get ready. Captain America. Star-Lord. Magneto. Green Goblin. Doctor Doom. Get ready. Now for today's main event.
You are humanity perfected. And I will show you are nothing compared to Homo Superior Unleashed.
We're all human, Magneto, and maybe when I beat you, you'll realize that.
Brace yourself. Round one. Fight!
How?
Soaring justice! I'll finish this! Soaring justice!
It's not over. There's no escape.
Soaring justice!
I am right. You feel nothing compared to the pain of mutant kind.
Ready to kill!
Round two. Fight!
Let's settle this!
Most of
Shield shock! Getting started. Alright. Get away with this. Alright. Shield strike!
You have a choice. A swift surrender or greater suffering.
Assemble.
I would grace you with my presence.
Round three. Fight!
Be grateful to do.
Okay. Let's settle this!
Be great.
When Magneto calls, the heavens answer! Shrapnel spike!
Won't get away with this.
Alright.
Your performance was admirable. However, you should have knelt before me when you still had the chance.
Winner, player one. Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls.